Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the sketching constraint in SpaceClaim when we are in the sketch mode. So let's get started. First of all, I will just select my new sketch plane and then select XY plane. Use plane view. Click here. So I'm in the XY plane. So for the start, I will start with some line and to create a closed sketch, and then use constraint to make my design fully defined. So let's start it. First of all, okay, that's it. So I have a sketch randomly created, this one, and now I can use these constraints here to make this sketch fully defined. First of all, I will use the horizontal constraint and then define which ones are horizontal. So this one, this one, this one, and this one is horizontal. Then I will select the vertical constraint and select the vertical ones. So that's it. Then I have other options. For example, the dimensions. I can go and select this one, but before that I can use another options like this one, equal lengths constraint, as I know some of these lengths are equal. So I will use this one and then select first one and second one. So the lengths of these two will be equal always. I will do the same here for this one and this one. Okay, you see these two are now equal. And then I can select these two lines as a they were vertical, and now they are they have same dimension and same lengths actually. Then I can go to the dimension, select my dimension here. For this line it is 18, so I just double click to change it to 20. So this is 20 millimeter. For this one, I can select this one as 4 millimeter. And this one automatically will change to 4 if I use dimensions here. So I will receive a message that this one has a constraint with this one, so I don't need this one. I simply click this length, this dimension, and delete this one. But also I need to have these two dimensions. Use dimension, this one, change it to 10, double click, type 10, enter. So these two are 10. I can simply select this one as well, change it to 15. Okay, so it is still not fully defined. Actually, I have defined all of the dimensions here. You see this one is 20, this one is 4, this one also is 4 millimeter. So here I have this dimension also, which is 12, because of this dimension here, and this constraint here. So if I select this one, this is 12, but I don't need to use this one, so I will skip it. But you see, these are not fully defined actually. You see, I can just click on the model and I can move it. I cannot change the dimension as all dimensions are fully defined. but the location of this one is not actually defined. So I can, for example, make a constraint based on this vertical and horizontal center lines. So I can just simply I can use some like this constraint or also dimensions. It depends on you. What do you want to do? So I will just use this dimension, select this one, put this one and make it 10. So now it is in the center, and then another dimensions here to here, and we'll make it 5. So now as you see, this is a fully defined actually sketch, so I cannot even move it. So as you see, this is a fully defined sketch in a SpaceClaim. So that's it. I can go to the 3D mode, and then that's it. This sketch is fully defined. So thanks for watching.